Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back. This is going to be an exciting video. I am doing a Yesstyle unboxing. You know what that means. It means Japanese, Korean skincare products, sunscreens. Favorite sunscreen comes from Japan, so I definitely bought more of that. But I want to do a little unboxing for you guys, show you what I got. The package did come pretty quick. It actually came before my Decium order came, which is crazy because that's from Canada. It's not as far, but I don't know, shipping's crazy these days. I think it came in like 6 business days from Yesstyle, so that's pretty good. Okay, I do just want to say though that every single time I put an order through on Yesstyle, my credit card gets hacked after. Literally every time. Which has only been 3 times, but still. And whenever I buy on Yesstyle, or Stylevana, which is a big competitor, I never have an issue. And they have cheaper prices, but I had to go through Yesstyle because a lot of products were out of stock, but just note that. Okay, so the first product that I got was the Biore UV SPF 50 Plus PA4 Plus. A super popular product. It's their Aqua Witch Watery Essence in 50 grams. It's not a huge tube, so you definitely will go through it fast. If you're using this one every single day and reapplying with this throughout the day, this will be gone in less than a month. So with that being said, it's not really the best deal, but if you love this product and you love the way that it looks on your skin, it's definitely worth the $11 price point. Just stock up on it so you can get the free shipping and you'll be good for, you know, half the year. So not terrible. This does have fragrance, so it's not a product that I personally like to use, but it is my friend's favorite, so with the holidays coming up, it's going to him. Next up is a new product. I did get some new stuff because I like to try new things out. And this is the Suncut UV Perfect Gel Super Waterproof SPF 50 Plus PA4 Plus, which is great. Oh, I did not even, so super waterproof. I might bring this to Miami because I'm gonna be swimming. Cool. So psyched for this. Suncut is a great brand, more affordable products I would say, but pretty good quality. The other one that I tried from them, can't even remember the name, but it came in a pump and I liked that one, but it was a little greasy, so I'm hoping that this one is not. It comes in a nice package, and it looks like a decent sized bottle. 100 grams, yeah, that's pretty good. That's double what the Biore one is, so I'm pretty happy about that. Excited to try it. So I also ordered another one from Suncut. This is the Suncut Cool Water Splash UV Protect Gel SPF 50 Plus PA4 Plus. I don't usually buy anything below PA4 Plus because if they're letting me know the rating, why would I get one that's lower when I can get 4 Plus, you know? Anyway, so the difference between these two, I don't really know. I'm assuming this one is not waterproof, but it does say Water Splash is the name. And it says cool, so I'm assuming maybe this is good for oily skin people. I don't know. But yeah, they come in the same exact packaging. They're probably pretty friggin' similar. So I'm excited to try both of these. And they were a great price. Then they did throw in, they always throw in little samples. Sometimes you can pick, I think, but this time I couldn't. So this is the Wonder Bubble Professional Salon Care Hydrating Shampoo. It comes in a little travel. I might actually use this and bring this because I am going to Miami this weekend, only for 4 days, so I'm not checking a bag. So this would be probably 2 shampoos. Why not, right? Then we have Canmake Mermaid Skin Gel UV. You guys, I tried something similar to this, but the one that I tried, I'm very confused. I'll let you know on the screen if this is the same or a different one that I did a review on my channel. This is tiny, only 40 grams, but it's good for traveling. Yeah, and it's pretty good. I do like it. It's pretty affordable. It's like $10, but it is tiny. It says for face and body. If you use this on your body, you're gonna be empty immediately. Yeah, I thought I was getting a different one, but I think it's the same one. But I liked the texture and everything like that. It was good. Now this product is 1.7 ounces of product, so that's a pretty good amount. And this is the Make Prem Light and Refreshing Sun Essence with Full Moisture, SPF 50 Plus, PA4 Plus, of course. And it's their UV Defense Me Daily Sun Essence. So Essence is a really lightweight, airy product, typically, lighter than a serum. So whenever I see a sunscreen essence, I assume it's gonna be really watery and lightweight. It says that this is not greasy, but really moisturizing, which is definitely something that I like, because I want to be moisturized, but I still get oily in my forehead and my nose, so I don't want to be greasy. And this is actually Korean, and so I'm psyched to try it. I know Make Prem has a few different products that people love, although I do think that it does have fragrance. The ingredients list, I don't know if you can even see that, but the ingredients list is really long, which is not something that I love because that's just more risk of irritation and stuff. But I know that Make Prem, I'm pretty sure, has fragrance in like all their stuff. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Let me do a quick little swatcheroo. Oh, I love this. On the back, so it says it expires 12 months from opening it, and then on the back, it says open date, and you can write the year, the month, and the day so that you know exactly when it expires. That's really cool, and I definitely wish more brands would do that, because I actually will write on the caps of my product when I opened it, so then I know. So I love that they're doing that. That's really awesome. Love that. But this is not a huge tube, so I don't even think it would last 3 months, never mind a year, because I've never tried or used anything from Make Prem. Whew. So I can't help myself. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Okay, it does smell like, just smells like cream. I don't know if it is fragrance. Okay, so look at that. That just blended away like nothing. It's probably still drying down. It might be a little greasy. I don't know. We'll see. I'm excited to try it out. Let me know if you want a video on this, and I'll do one. Okay, last one in the pack. Don't even tell me you don't know what it is. Although I think the packaging changed. What? It's the Labo UV White Gel, my favorite sunscreen in the entire world. Oh, the packaging changed. I hope the formula didn't. 90 grams of product, comes in a jar. If y'all are changing the packaging, why didn't you give me a pump? That's what it looks like. The best. I always need a backup of this in my life. Those are all the sunscreens that I got from Yesstyle. Discount code down below. Also discount code to Stylevana, which yes is a competitor. Since no one's paying me to talk about either brand, use whatever you like. Personally, I like Stylevana because it's cheaper. But that's everything. We got 6 products and we got 1 shampoo sample. And it's pretty good. Let me know if there's a product in particular that you want to see sooner rather than later, and I'll be sure to be testing that and trying it. I love sunscreen, and I'm so excited to try these products. Thank you guys so much for your time. Love you so much. Bye.